Oh no, the dirt snowman has moved. We had a lot of rain last night, and look what happened. He moved from here to over here. Now you know that the Inverness snowman from Florida has moved. He's taken resident over here. There he is. No, not really. Anyway, we had a lot of rain last night, so as you could see, we got flooded out again. But it's a beautiful day today. Everything's going good on the Okey-Dokey homestead. I hope everybody out there in YouTube land is also having a wonderful day. And that's about it. Not much else is happening. Everybody's well. The cows are doing good. Chickens are doing good. But the snowman melted. Alrighty. Well, everybody have a beautiful day. Have a wonderful, blessed day. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye-bye.